Hello YouTube. I got something new for once. Some Auvio speakers. Radio Shack sells these. And they're three-way speakers, 100 watts times 2. So they're pretty good. And they're three-way speakers, as you can see, pretty clearly. There's a tweeter, a small woofer, and a big woofer. Alright. They are water resistant and suitable for use on covered patios and porches. Yay, they're durable. Three-way acoustic design provides superb audio quality throughout the entire sound spectrum. So full range sound, gotta love that. Stylish black cabinets and grills to enhance your decor. Well, speakers easily connect to a stereo or receiver using standard speaker wire, which is, just a copper wire. You put it in the clip, you press the clip down. And of course it has all that. And of course in America, we absolutely love Spanish people. Totally. So we put the Spanish in smaller writing so they can't read it. Lol. Actually, I don't know why they did that. I have no freaking clue. Anyway, provides stereo sound with mellow highs and deep lows for enjoyment inside or outside your home. Yeah. Custom manufactured in China for Ignition LP. So these are made in China, but not everything made in China is bad. Only certain things are. Here's what it can handle. It can handle 50 watts times 2 RMS, and it can handle 100 watts times 2 maximum. And the frequency response is 1,000 to 20,000 hertz, which is nice. And the impedance is variable. You can either use 4 or 8 ohms, which is exactly why I bought these. The fact that you can use either 4 or 8, that's awesome. The sensitivity is about 85 and plus or minus 3 decibels. The woofer is a 4-inch woofer. The mid-range is a 2-inch woofer or driver. It's a small woofer, I think. And the tweeter is just that tiny little thing up there. I'll show you these speakers once we get them unboxed. This is one pair. It's ROHS compliant. It's recyclable. And it comes in plain-ass cardboard. Unchained. Here's the stuff you can use to mount everything. Now, I don't know what these wires are. I think the wires are connected to these, and then you connect these to the wall. Either way. Styrofoam. Let's pull out these speakers. Nice and new in the plastic. There's one. Here's the other. I'll move the mounting brackets out of the way. And here we go. Let's take the plastic off. Alright. Down, down, do. Alright. Here they are. They're beautiful. Look at it. Got the tweeter, you got the smaller woofer, and the bigger woofer. The case is pretty hard plastic, which is good to see. It's rugged plastic, too. The kind I like. Here's what it says on the back. And it takes push-down connectors. It just takes the holes. I love these things. These are what should be on all speakers, all receivers. These clips. They work perfectly. And of course there's a mounting hole on the top, so you can mount these things to, let's say, the ceiling or patio. So essentially these are patio speakers, just like the realistic Minimus 7s are up there. Except that these are newer, and they're made of plastic. So the plastic, the plastic is not going to corrode. So having plastic speakers as outside speakers is perfect, but I'm going to be using these inside, either for my computer or as additional speakers to the realistic Minimus 7, the realistic System 7 receiver. So I'm going to dig out some speaker wire and we can test these babies out. I'm a dumbass. This thing came with speaker wire right in the box, so that's awesome. The guy at Radio Shack told me it didn't come with wire. That's weird. 2 speaker wires right there, 2 pairs of them. So we can test these babies out pretty easily. So hook these up, and I'll get back to you then.